Happy to have you back. We'll make some beautiful pots today. Let's begin. Take a small glass jar, wipe and clean it. You'll also need some popsicle sticks. The first thing you need to do is measure the size of the popsicle along the glass jar and cut the extras. You can use a normal scissor to do that. Now cut all the popsicle to equal size. We'll be using some hot glue gun to attach the popsicles to the glass jar. Once you have reached the end and finished gluing up all, it might happen that you need to cut the popsicle from the center so that it fits accordingly. I have used a pink color jute sheet which I got from a local stationery. Next we will again use some glue to fix the sheet at the center of the jar. Use a normal thread and tie it in the form of a bow. Your pot is ready. Isn't it beautiful? I made a couple of these pots, used it as a lamp and also as a flower pot. Next one is the cute couple pot. For this you'll have to take tin cans, make sure they are small ones. We'll use an acrylic paint. I have green colored acrylic paint which I am using. Shake it well before use. Paint the can evenly. Kindly use hand gloves while painting. I really regret not using one. Once painted, let the can dry for one day. Now we'll make the base of the cute couple pot. For this we'll be using popsicle. Kindly use bright colors to paint the sticks and let them dry. For making the frame, either use both-sided tape or glue. Use permanent marker to draw design on the lid. Use acrylic colors for painting Mr. Cool and Miss Selfie Queen. Let them dry for a day. Now put a bunch of both-sided tape one over the other on the inner surface of the lid. Fix the lid at the front portion of the can and place the can over the base. You are done. Next is a quick DIY flower pot. Materials listed. You need to wipe and clean a small cup of your choice. We'll be using masking tape. If you don't have one, we can use a normal sellotape. Cover up the cup minimum 1 inch below the tip. Next, use a nail paint of your choice. Minimum 2 coats of the nail paint will be required based on the quality which you are using. After the paint is dried, remove the masking tape. Now use a brush and put Fevicol Across the bottom of the design, it should be in a form of a circular line. Before the glue dries up, all you need to do is just put the dust of the glitter over the glue. Just sprinkle it gently and make sure you cover the complete glue. As a tip, make sure the nail paint has dried up fully, otherwise the dust of the glitter will stick to it. After an hour, shake off the extra glitter by gently tapping the cup. You are all set to use this pot in your balcony. Next is the easiest DIY of making pots. We'll be using white cement over here. For this, all you need to do is take some cardboard boxes, plastic bottles, some water and a jar wherein we'll mix the cement. You also need some small cups for making hole at the center. Add water to the white cement and make a thick paste. Also cut the cardboard box into your desirable size. You can also use plastic bottles. Pour the cement into the cardboard box and then add the small cup at the center. Put some heavy weights over it. Let it dry for a day. Here are few other shapes which I tried. These are made up of the plastic boxes which comes as part of the food parcel. These pots usually come out uneven, so all you need to do is use a filer and just smooth out the uneven edges. You can even use a sandpaper.